Now I just got something in the mail that I'm super hyped for, and once you see it, you'll probably understand. Wait, let me back that up. Wow. Yeah. New Marvel series. Number 2. So I'm going to open these up, and then I'm going to show you what they look built. First time with Lego boxes. These things are, like, weird looking. I can't even explain how weird these things look compared to the blind bags. So I'm going to open this real quick. Oh, that made a mess. I didn't see the movie, but I really like this figure. It's Werewolf by Night. I think the goofy smile is going to work well for, like, my Lego City stuff. And so I think it's really cool. Next figure. Here's Mr. Goliath, which I think he's from the comics, but I think he's going to be in the Marvel Cinematic Universe very soon. And I think he's, like, one of my first Ant-Man figures, but I think he looks super sick. In that box, it's been Agatha all along, which I've been waiting for this figure for so long, since the last series, since WandaVision came out, so I'm pretty hyped about this one. I forgot to film me pouring this one out. We got one of the best figures in my opinion, Wolverine. He is so cool, and he's way better than the mech one, being honest. I just love the bright yellow. On to the next figure. Still not used to the boxes, and I destroyed this one. I felt a storm brewing in that box, because we have Storm here, which is so cool. This series is amazing. Last box here. I'm hoping it's Beast or Kate Bishop. Holy cow. I'm very happy about this one. And our last figure was the one I wanted the most. Beast. He is so cool. With that new hairpiece, they need to use that new hairpiece so much. So I'm going to go do an out view here so you can see all the figures I got. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you want to see me collect the entire series, then comment down below which figure you want me to see and what strategies to find them you want me to try. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!